Good morning, Bastien May from BVN Real Estate. I'm here today at TreeCasa Resort and we are between the area called Montecito in the phase 2 of TreeCasa Resort. I'm looking the lot E17 and E18. So E17, it's a lot of 0.73 hectares for sale for $79,000 with a 3 years financing option, giving $70,000 in cash and paying $1,600 per month over 3 years. The lot has an incredible view over Bahia Nakascolo. You can see there the beach. We have like an overview of the ocean Pacific. It's amazing. I've seen also on the north side, looking west-north here, Playa Marsella, Playa Maderas. So it's pretty amazing. It's very high. We are on the highest area of TreeCasa Resort, but still very near. Resort will be like 4-5 minutes from us. So it's a flat lot almost, with a very low fall. And we have no neighbors. We see only canopies and forest, not any house, not any roof. No one will disturb you over here. It looks like it's an amazing lot, I would say. All this area of E, I went there a long time ago and didn't remember how nice it is. So on our side also there is a lot E15, and the E15 is their lot where, yeah, most of them are from $75,000 to $89,000. But it's it looks very good to be here. I tell you that, yeah, the lot of E, we will list the price link to the video, but all the lots there will have like a premium ocean view. So you need a 4x4 to come here. But that's it. We are a bit farthest from town. It will be like 9-10 minutes from city center, and the same to the beach. So we can go straight almost to the beach through the resort, through phase 1 of TreeCasa Resort, to find just the entrance of Nakascolo beach. So it's really fast to come here and to join the beach. Yeah, I love this area. No one is there. Some construction are below us, but far from us. And it's like a pure privacy. We are on top hills of TreeCasa Resort. If you look around me, you have like just natures. I wish to be able to buy one of these lots and to put my house there. So normally we will listen monkeys every morning, see birds. It's like a viewpoint. It's amazing, really amazing. Yeah. So TreeCasa Resort offer you a residence fee of $1,020 per year. So it's very low compared to other residential. We have also, of course, homeowners have access to the resort with a discount of 10% in bar and restaurant. Can invite your friend, also your guest if you rent your property. TreeCasa Resort will offer you management, house management if you need. Our company will also offer it with a cheaper rate than TreeCasa Resort. Our rate is only 10% for management and rentals over the rentals. So it's very affordable also what we offer.